I would like to introduce for the chicken production. They have the egg incubator,
Mm-hmm.
yes, egg production, and chick production, and fattening production, and hand and roaster, I mean egg production. Yes, they have the three business. And for the first, they preparing the egg in the incubator, and after 21 days, the eggs deliver to the chick like this. And they keep this 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and they inject the vaccine like the smallpox and Newcastle disease to the chick, and then they sell out to the chicken producer.
All right.